So what I'd like to do is show you is how to go ahead and sketch the angle negative pi. So again, when we're looking into this, what we kind of talk about when sketching with pi, if you remember, we have two different parts. We have our initial side, and what we're going to do is we're going to rotate another ray with the same vertex at 0, 0, the origin, and we're going to rotate it a measurement of negative pi. So to kind of understand, again, radians, what we need to understand about that is, really where does pi, again, come from? Well, again, pi comes from, if we take a circle, we know that the distance from any part, the center of the circle to the outside edge is what we call the radius. All right? And if you can kind of think of the radius as like a noodle, right? It's nice and hard, it's thick, it's straight, but then you're going to dip it in hot water and it gets a little flexible. And if you could take that radius and wrap it around your circle, what we would notice is it wraps around the circle not once, not twice, not 3 times, but a little bit more than 3 times. We're almost halfway around the circle. But the exact measurement of how many times the radius wraps around the circle to get halfway around the circle is pi. So therefore, that's the measurement of pi. Now, when understanding how we're going to rotate angles, we need to understand that we always start here, which is our standard position, and this is our initial side. If we rotate our ray in the counterclockwise direction, we call that angle's direction positive. And if we rotate the ray in the negative direction, we call that negative. Now, it doesn't really matter if we rotate it in the positive and the negative, though, for this angle's case, because we're just going to rotate the angle halfway around our circle. So therefore, this would be, sketching this graph is just going to be 2 rays opposite of each other. Therefore, it's going to produce a straight line. But that would be how you would sketch the angle negative pi. Thanks. Yeah, see, that's good.
That's all of your video?
Yeah, that's it. Done. 30 seconds.